Hello everyone. So the question is P and Q are 2 points with position vector 3a minus 2b and a plus b respectively. We need to find the position vector of point R which divides the line segment PQ in the ratio 2:1 externally. So first of all, we'll make a line diagram, a segment diagram, so that we can visualize this problem nicely. I have made the diagram over here. So this is P, Q and point R dividing the line externally. That's why we have extended the line and the ratio is 2:1. In the question it is given the position vector of P, that is 3a minus 2b, and the position vector of Q, that is a plus b. And for R, we know that in which ratio it divides the line segment PQ. So it is very simple to find the position vector of R by using this formula. What does this formula tell us about? Firstly, we'll write the position vector of P into the ratio in which it divides Q. Yes, the opposite one, the Q, minus position vector of Q into 2, the ratio in which it divides P, upon 1 minus 2, that is subtraction of the ratios. So we need to put the position vector value of P and Q respectively. When we multiply 3a minus 2b, we get 3a minus 2b only, because it is multiplied with 1, minus a plus 2b. So we get 2a plus 2b. So when we subtract 3a minus 2b, it will give us a, and minus 2b plus 2b over here, but plus and minus will give us minus. So it is minus 2b and minus minus will be added. So we get a minus 4b, and we know that minus 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. So the position vector can be written as 4b minus a, because over here we have 1, so it would be the inverse, the sign would be inverse, so the sign would be plus 4b minus a.